Good morning, student. Welcome back in your math class. Good morning. Now, open your math worksheet part 2 and this page. Practice 7 and 8. Practice 7 and 8. Before start writing, put CW date. Now, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8. 4 line 7 and 4 line 8. 4 line 7 and 4 line 8. Practice it. Wow, very good, Swarnendu. Now Swarnendu became fast. Well done. Ma'am is so happy. Always write fast, okay? Okay? Yes. That's good. Smile please, Swarnendu. Smile please. Wow, Moinul, very good. Now, next page, I think it is blank. So open that page and tell your parents, write concept of equal. We already learned it in our offline class. Concept of equal. And look, some drawings in my left side I already drawn. Please tell your mother, write down in this page. Concept of equal. Equal. The sign is called equal. The sign is called equal. Okay. Now, just make 6 parts in one page and count and make another same number things here. Can you see the board? No, sorry. Last one you can see from this. 5 rings are there. 5 rings are there. 6 balloons, 3 pans and 5 rings in left hand, and you have to draw equal number things, any things in right side. Okay, very good. Now you draw you draw and show me. ছবিগুলো complete your work and wait. Wait, beta. Wait. Okay, let's see. No, don't write the number. You have to draw equal numbers of any other picture. It is not count and write. Draw equal. Concept of equal means if I draw 6 balloons here, you also have to draw 6, number 6 type any other things in right side. Swarnendu, do you understand it? You may draw circle, you may draw triangle, you may draw ice cream, you may draw anything, but you have to draw any 6 items here. Am I clear to you? Wow, very good. And last one, Swarnendu. Number 3, there are 5 rings. Look, there are 5 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which I not drawn in board. There are 5 rings. Very good. Very good. Swarnendu, well done. Moinul, look, I am helping you. Look at board, beta. Moinul, look at board. Suppose, look. Okay, very good. And last one. I not draw, but last one there is, I told you now, 5 rings are there, you have to draw also it. 5 rings are there. So if I make equal, I have to draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 things here. You may draw kite. I am drawing 5 kites. This way, beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 objects in my left hand and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 objects in my right hand. 5 equals to 5. So student, again I am telling you, this sign, learn the sign. This sign is equal. Equal. It is the sign of equal. It is the sign of equal. Okay. If I write 4, then 4 is equal with 4. If I write 7, then 7 is equal number 7. Okay. So what is this? The sign is called equal. The sign is called equal. Do you understand? Okay, very good. Do you understand, beta? If there is any problem, do you understand? Clear me, answer me. Okay, and Sonindu, what about you? Do you understand? Sonindu, is there any problem? It is any problem? Do you understand it? Okay, practice this at your home. We will do same. Okay, we will do same things, same topic, repeat in our next math class. Okay, now today's math class up to this much. We will meet in our next class, next day, next class. Tata.